Hi guys, I will explain my thesis which titled The Impact of Marketing Strategies, Food Quality and Price on Purchase Decision at Toko Kopi Routine. The phenomenon in this study is the growing influence of social media, food quality and pricing on consumer purchase decision in the cafe industry, specifically at Toko Kopi Routine in Tanjung Pinang, Riau Island. Despite active digital marketing efforts and a stable customer base, the cafe faced challenges such as inconsistent food quality, unclear marketing impact, and pricing. The research urgency lies in the need for Toko Kopi Routine to adapt to changing consumer preference and a competitive market dynamics. By understanding these factors, the cafe can improve the customer satisfaction, it can enhance the brand loyalty, and increase sales. So this is the research question and the research objective. The benefit of this research lie in enhancing the understanding of how marketing strategies, food quality, and price influence the customer behavior in the hospitality sectors. It provides a framework for future studies and can be expanded by including other variables like service quality. The finding also offers practical insight for businesses to develop targeted marketing. This research examines how marketing strategies, food quality, and pricing affect purchase decision at Toko Kopi Routine. The survey will be conducted over 3 months. It will be focused on the customers of the cafe itself, and the survey will involve around 200 respondents by using appropriate sampling methods to analyze consumer behavior effectively. For the grand theory itself, I'm using the theory of planned behavior. So it explains how people make decisions based on three key factors: attitude toward the behaviors, whether they see it as positive or negative, subjective norms, social pressures, or influence from others, and perceived behavioral control. So how easy or difficult they think it is to perform the behavior. These factors together shape a person's intention to act, which is the main predictor of actual behavior. And then this is the variable definition and the indicator. So the first one is the marketing strategies. So according to Pribadi 2019, marketing strategy is a potential resource approach that covers opportunities and threats in making decisions or ideas that can be used for planning the execution of achieving effective and efficient marketing targets. And food quality, according to Sri Wulandari and Ramadan 2022, state as the level of consistency of menu quality achieved by setting standards for products. And the third one is price. According to Collis 2021, price exerts a significant influence on purchasing activities, serving as a primary consideration for consumers prior to making a purchase decision. And the last one, which is the dependent variable purchase decisions, according to Azauri, he defines a purchasing decision as a process of deciding whether or not to acquire a product. And then this is my research model and the hypothesis. So the first hypothesis, marketing strategies has a significant effect towards purchase decision. And then the second hypothesis, price has a significant effect toward purchase decision. And the third one, food quality has a significant effect toward purchase decision. So I'm using a quantitative research which with a structured questionnaire with a 5-point Likert scale, and the population itself. In this research, the population consists of all customers who have made purchases at Toko Kopi Routine. In this study, the sampling method used is purposive sampling, which is a type of non-probability sampling. This method is chosen because it allows the researcher to select respondents based on specific characteristics that are relevant to the objective of the research. Validity refers to the extent to which an instrument accurately measures what it is intended to measure. In other words, a valid instrument ensures that the data collected truly reflects the concept being studied and supports accurate conclusion, while reliability refers to the consistency and stability of a measurement instrument when used under similar conditions. A reliable instrument yields consistent results over time and across different samples. So how the data will be analyzed? So the first one I'm using, so the first one, the first step is multiple regression analysis. And then this is the formula. And then research task, simultaneous significant task, partial significance, coefficient of correlations, and the last one, coefficient of determination. And then for the classical assumption test, the first step, normality. So if the p-value is greater than 0.05, the data is normally distributed. And the second one is multicollinearity. If the value of V is smaller than 10 and the value of tolerance is bigger than 0.10, then there is no multicollinearity happen. And the third one is heteroscedasticity. If the significant values is bigger than 0.05, then there is no heteroscedasticity. The last one is linearity, a p-value greater than the significant levels. If if it's not then bigger than 0.05, then the relationship is linear. So this is my questionnaire table, and this is the reference. So okay, I think that's it. So thank you for listening.